Okay, welcome to this week's market review and expectation. So, in the previous week, I talked about my expectation for the trading week. Okay, I was talking about this particular candle had not formed. Okay, it was only this candle that had already formed, and I was talking about the fact that I was looking at price running this particular high, this high, and then we draw back into this particular fair value gap, right? This high here, then this high. Remember, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, if you watch the previous video, I talked about this particular fair value gap. Okay, and then this high, and I was expecting price to run to the middle part of this particular fair value gap, this high here, and then this low here. That was my target. After running this high, the next target was to see price run to the middle of this particular these two fair value gaps, which I think was somewhere on this line. Yes, sir. Yeah, so that's the middle of this particular fair value gap, and let's just some few pips to reach into it. So in the coming week, I'm actually looking at price touching the low end of this particular bearish candle. Okay, we touch it, and then probably I'll be looking at price trading to the close of this candle. Okay, this close right here, I'm looking at price trading to that end, and then we would most likely look for a deeper retracement if there is to be any. Okay, but when we trade to this particular end as the target I'm looking at, I'll just have to hold on to see what price has to offer for us. So I'm still holding on to my bullish stance on the dollar index, and after we trade to this side, right, to the opening of this particular candle, which is just after the midpoint of the fair value gap, I would like to see price break into it, and then probably some kind of consolidation or retracements. I'll be expecting that, or like a deeper retracement. Okay, a deeper retracement, and then we can continue higher. If not a reversal, I'll be expecting a deeper retracement. But for now, my target is the midpoint of this fair value gap, which is on this candle, and then we will wake the close. Sorry, the close of the close of this particular candle. We will wake into the close of this particular candle. Okay, yes. So that was my expectation for the coming week. Okay, so this is the daily charts, and then on the daily charts, if we take a look at the previous video, I was talking about the fact that should price try to drop, I was looking at this particular fair value gap, and then this fair value gap. Okay, and you use this order block for higher prices, right? And we just make use of this particular fair value gap. Okay, and we head towards our targets. So still in the coming week, I'm looking at price just opening up, and then probably we trade just a little bit down. Okay, I already want to see price go to this low, okay, or come back into this particular fair value gap right here again, but probably just break small down here, and then we would just head towards our targets right here, which is around 108.830 thereabouts. Okay, on the dollar index. So as I've said, anytime we expect higher prices in the dollar index, we expect lower prices, or we expect the euro and the pound to also drop. Okay, So I will be talking about that those pairs. As I just said, you just expect lower prices. So what do we have in the coming week for our fundamentals? Okay, so for the fundamentals, on 25th, which is Monday, just a mid-impact news for the German IFO business climate happening at 9 a.m. Not much to expect there. And then on Tuesday at 3 p.m., the CB consumer confidence affecting the dollar, and also 1:30 we have the prelim GDP and then unemployment claims also affecting the dollar at 1:30 p.m. Okay, and then you take a look at the core PCE price index affecting the USD at 3 p.m. Okay, and then at 7 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. So on Wednesday you have to be very cautious. Okay, just watch the market around these times. There's going to be lots of volatility to be injected based on the FOMC meeting minutes. Then all the German prelim CPI for affecting the euro. Okay, so let's take a look at Wednesday. There's going to be so much volatility to be injected into the market. And also on Wednesday, I will expect our target to be hit on probably Wednesday during the FOMC. Then maybe look for possible retracements, and then we'll continue higher. So let's see what the price has to offer us. But the coming week, which is from the 25th to 29th of November, I'm looking at price reaching this particular level, okay, which is 108.83. okay, I'm looking at price reaching in there, so something like that. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm looking at price to do, to reach in there. Then probably we touch, just go a little bit into it, touching the close of the weekly bearish order block I talked about. This right here, okay, the close can be at 109, yeah, 0.00, yeah, so 109. If you expect price to just break in, and then probably you just have a little retracement or consolidation, but that is my target for the coming week. So let's see what price has to offer for us, and then let's proceed. Thank you.